What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do these vertical ombres that have been trending on Instagram for a couple of days now. Let's get right into it. To begin our application, I've applied base coats beforehand. I've been making use of this really cute gel polish I ordered on AliExpress a while ago. So I've got this neon orange color and then this other really bright yellow color, and I'm going to be doing like a half and half sort of application on each of the nails. So from my previous practice, I learned that it's easier to apply one color on all the nails at a time before applying the other color. And then for me, I just thought it was easier to apply doing the right side of the nail first as opposed to doing the other side. So the reason I applied base coat beforehand is to help with the gel polish application, just so that the polish can stay, or can I'd say can stay better. And we can the base coat can help to hold more of the pigments in this polish, because to be fair, it's not very pigmented. All right, so as soon as I'm done applying the orange, I'm going to gently try to apply the yellow first off, like on the other half of the nail, before actually using the rest of the brush, or before actually using the brush to blend, to make that smooth blend in between that middle where the two colors meet. Okay, so after our first application blend, this is what we have. Mind you, I haven't cured in the lamp yet. I'm going to apply clear powder directly over to all of the nails, just like I'm doing, and then I'm going to dust that off. So I'm going to do this to all of the nails, and what this does is it's going to help with our second layer, and then with the blend of like our second layer as well. So when we're coming to reapply the polish, it's going to be much easier to actually blend the two colors together. And then also for the pigment, or for just how pigmented this color is going to be, this step that I'm doing would also help with that. So I'm going to cure in the lamp now, and then I'll come back, clean off all of the dust and residue or leftover acrylic powder that is on my nail, and like around my nail surface. I even used like a hard brush to make sure I get all of that out. And look at how cute the nails look. I even like how the underneath of my nails look as well. All right, so I'm going to go in again with the second coat, and you can see just how bright the orange now looks. It's so cute. All right, so I'm going to go again with the second coat, and I'm going to apply this the same way I did earlier on, half and half, before I actually start to blend. And then when you want to blend, okay, you know what, when we get to that part, I'll just drop the tip. Alrighty, so I'm just going to apply the yellow again, and we're just going to do the same thing apply on the sides first. Make sure that we get a good amount of the yellow polish over all of the nails before actually trying to blend. And you guys, you would notice that on my paper towel there, I have some stains because I actually wipe my brush. So that's one thing you want to do. Make sure to wipe your brush so that you're not mixing your yellow polish that is in the bottle, and at the same time you sort of want to make use of a, I wouldn't say dry brush, but you don't want your brush that you're using to blend to have of polish on it. If not, when you're trying to blend, instead of blending, you would actually be smearing polish of the other color or of the contrasting color on the other side, if you get the point that I'm trying to make. In my case, it's yellow. If I had a lot of, I'm using the yellow brush to blend the colors. If I had a lot of polish on my brush, every time I try to blend, instead of blending, I'll be getting more of the yellow into the orange, as opposed to like an even balanced contrast or blend. Sorry, not contrast, blend.
So then, why?
So after this next blend, I'm going to cure in the lamp fully and then come back and apply matte top coat. And then this will be the final top coating. Yeah, the final blending coat for this design before we do the rest of the artwork to actually make the design pop. Okay, so apply matte top coat and then cure in the lamp 60 seconds and come back and we'll do our lines. Alrighty guys, we're back from the lamp, but our design is not just complete yet. We're going back in with the gel polish we used earlier and we're going to do V-tips, except that we're going to do the yellow on the orange side and the orange on the yellow side. Okay, so I'm going to use my liner brush to just outline these, and then I'll go in with the I'll cure that in the lamp first after doing all of the outlines, and then I'm going to go in with top coat and then we'll finish off the design.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
Alrighty guys, so I finished off on the V-tips. I'm going in now with the gelish top it off, basically top coat, and I'm also using my liner brush to outline the top coat only on my V-tips. Okay, so after I'm done outlining, I'm going to cure in the lamp, and that will be the final result. So we're going to have like a sort of matte and glossy finish to look. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was really helpful. Let me know if you're going to give this a try, and if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to me for more tutorials, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.